Welcome to Home of Math. For reviewing number, today we are going to solve two math which is based on LCM and HCF. Let's start. First question. Find the LCM and HCF of 24 and 36. So everybody knows about LCM, which is least common multiple. HCF is highest common factor. So first we have to find out 24 and 36 prime factorization. So first prime factorization. So first 24 we can write like this. Once you divide 24 by 2, it will be 12, then 2, 6, then 2, 3. So here is 3 twice, so 2 to the power 3, okay, times 3. Okay, now look, 36. Similar thing, 36 divide by 2, 18, divide by 2, 9, divide by 3, we will get 3. So 36 we can write 2 square times 3 square. So what will be the LCM? LCM, we know we will take all common and uncommon thing. So here is 2 square and here is 2 cube. So 2 square and additional another 2 we will take. So it means 2 cube and 3 square times 3 square. So LCM is what? 2 to the power 3 means 8 and 3 square means 9. So answer is 72. Right? And what about HCF? We know HCF is highest common factor. Therefore, which one is common thing? Here is 3 and look, here is 2 times 2 and here is 2 times 2 times 2. So what will be the common thing? 2 square, right? So we will take 3 times 2 square. It means 3 times 4. The answer is 12. Okay, so 24 and 36 LCM is 72, HCF is 12, and this is our answer. Answer LCM 72, HCF 12. Okay, clear this one? So number 1 done. Next question. Here is the HCF of two numbers is 18 and their LCM is 360. If one number is 90, find the other number. So we know product of two numbers, product of two numbers equals to LCM times HCF, right? So we know already one number. Look what we will get from here. HCF equals to 18, LCM equals to 360, one number 90, another number we don't know, so this one is X. So product of two numbers, it means 90 times X, or we can write like this 90X. LCM is 360 times HCF is 18. Okay, so Once we divide both sides by 90, here is x and here is 360 times 18 divide 90. Okay. Now this one and this one out, and this one and this one, 18 divide 9, it means 2. Okay. So what will be the answer? Answer is 36 times 2, it means 72. This is our answer. So look, one number is 90, another number is 72. Now we can verify. How? This 72, once we make prime factorization, 72, so divide 2, it will be 36, divide 2, it will be 18, divide 2, it will be 9, divide 3, it will be 3. So 72, we can write 1, 2, 3, so 2 to the power 3 times 3 square, right? And now 90. 90, what can we do? 90. Similar thing, divide by 2, so 45, divide by 3, 15, divide by 3, it will be 5. Okay. So we can write 2 times 3 square times 5. So HCF, we already know about HCF means highest common factor. So highest common factor, it means in 72 here is 3 square, 90 also 3 square. So HCF, we can take 3 square times, here is common factor is 2 because here is 2 cube and here is 2, so we can take 2. So 3 square means 9, 9 times 2 means 18. So our HCF 18 is okay. Now what about LCM? Look, what is the common thing? The common thing is here is 2, but in LCM 8 and 2, what would be the LCM? LCM will be 2 to the power 3. So we can take 2 to the power 3. We know LCM is least common multiple. Okay, common and uncommon everything will be take. So 2 to the power 3, and also we will take 3 square times, and also we will take 5. So 2 cube, it means 8 times 3 square means 9 times here is 5. Now look, 8 times 5 is a 40 times 9, 4 times 9 is a 36 and 0. So 360 is also okay. So finally we get our result, which is find the other number. What? Other number is 72. So hope you will clear everything. It's a very important math for exam preparation of IGCSE, SAT, grade 8, grade 10 and any kinds of school level examination. Thank you very much being with me. Please subscribe my channel because you can learn lots of things from this channel. Don't forget to share with others.